Welcome, 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 welcome! Today, we are here. I don't know if I want this to be low, I want this to be high. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear the music and can you guys hear me? Let's find out. Let's find out. Sarah, can you actually test?
You want me to go?
Can you actually test
What?
if the music and the audio is good? If I should put anything louder or lower or whatever? Can you actually
Yeah.
test it?
Can you send me the link for the thing?
Sure can.
Thank you very much.
Also, you said that it was better with the light, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Sure.
My friends, join up. The live. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Did you send it to me? Okay.
I need to make sure that it's This is so clickbaity. Listen to you. Should I put it on the chat of like my friends thing?
Sure. Let me check.
I don't know
Ew!
if-
My voice is annoying as fuck. What the fuck?
Yeah, check how it is, and then I'll share it once we're doing something.
Mute yourself on Discord.
Hello, hello. Today we are here to witness our.
I think your voice is kind of low.
My voice is low, or is it the music is loud? I can put the music.
Maybe
low.
the music.
What about if it's like this? I'm talking hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What do you
Still-
think? Okay.
It's okay.
Let's put it less like this, maybe. Hello, hello. My name is my name. My name is my name. My name is the name. Be right back. I'm back. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? It has to be good now.
I think it's still too
Okay. You know that there's delay, right?
It didn't really seem to change.
You know that there is delay, right?
Yeah.
Do you have my share screen on? Actually, I should stop it. Okay. Because now you can see, like, there's no audio coming here.
Oh, never mind.
Of course, it was the share screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go back and see it again. So now I have the, you see, like, this is the audio, this is my mic. It should go like this, maybe? So I'm like this, hello, 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 hello. Is it good, or should I put it louder? I think the last time I couldn't even hear the music. So, like this, I'm barely, like a little bit more than the thing. So you tell me right now when you see it, if it's
Yeah, it's
40
good, I
is the way, if it should be 45, or like maybe I can talk less loud if I'm talking like this. If it's good or not, then you tell me.
I think it's good.
Welcome everyone to the stream. So I guess 40 is the way to go. I can also get this closer maybe. Yeah. Alright, so today we have something to do, right? We're gonna go ahead and I'm going to create a project, a new project. Today we're gonna be making Bluetooth like dual, I guess dual blue. I'll call it dual blue for now. And I'm also gonna be teaching someone how to use this technology. All right. So the first thing that I notice is that this music is too aggressive. I need something a little better. I feel like. So if you guys know something that I don't know, I need like more chill. This music is too crazy. Like I can go on playlists and then it shows me the types of non-copyrighted. This is like the best of 2026, Smash's biggest songs. I want something chill, you know. Biggest drum and bass songs. Trap songs. Future house. What do you think I should pick? Angry, no hangry. They have so many things there.
I don't know, man. But I'm having a bunch of delay
Yeah.
because I'm only hearing you through the.
Understandable. I can unmute and talk to you on Discord, so there's no delay. What do you say? Now that the song is good, you can mute the stream. Yeah, I'll do that. Can you hear me now? You can mute the stream and then.
Yeah, it's muted. Hi.
Very nice. What's up?
What is up, my man?
I actually don't know, man. Maybe I'll just put whatever. Best focus music. That's what you need, right?
Sure.
Instrumental ADM. Let's see. Mm. Top 100s. Let's see. This is non-copyright. Oh my god! All right. I'm gonna lower it here and put it put it louder on the stream. I already know it's like at 40s, 45s. So it should be fine like this.
You want me to go see?
You can. I just want to change because it's underrated. Oh my god. The songs suck. That's why I remember. I just remember why I stopped streaming. Because of the songs, man. The copyrighted songs.
My god. Oh shit.
Okay, I need to ignore it. Yeah, this, I think... I'll leave this one going. Alright. So, we're here.
We're here. So I know absolutely nothing.
So, are you gonna be looking at it?
Yes.
Alright. So let's
Me-
begin. Let's begin. I cannot minimize this.
Can you share your screen? So I don't get delay.
Actually, I would rather you be in the chat and talk to me in the chat with a delay, so I see how it actually is, you know. And also, if there's people talking, it might be better. What do you say?
Sure.
All right.
Sure.
So I'm gonna mute then. See ya there. All right, my friends, we're here, and today I'm gonna show you what is up, Sarah. Before I start, I think I'll share my screen, my link with the bros, and go from there. Yeah, so let's go. I'm gonna share my stream link there. I just closed it, but I sent it to you. Man, the thumbnail looks so crazy. I don't know if I want to post it. The thumbnail is too crazy, man. I don't know if I want to post it. I might. I don't care. I posted it, man. I posted it. I don't care. Alright, I'm here. So first things first. I need to... Okay, I can see it. Yeah, it's funny. Okay. So I need to go back. See, I'm in desktop. This is basically a terminal, right? So I'm in desktop. I need to go to the folder of the project. That's the first thing. Not alias. I don't need to alias. I need to go back. So to go back, I think it's like this. No, it's... I forgot actually, which is sad. Okay, this is sad. It's fucking sad. Okay, 2 dots. So see, now I'm in desktop. So now I can go CD, and then in here I can change. So I know that this it's not the one. I need to go and get the place where we have the project. So this is gonna be the directory of the project. As you can see, now we are inside of it. So I can just go and open cloth. Lower the sound. Perfect, because I also wanted it to be lowered. So I guess 45 is the way. Tell me if now is good, and if it is, I'm gonna be doing that for now. All right. Much better. Even for me, it's better. Man, the chat is bothering me a little bit. Stay in one place. Come on. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so now it's asking me if I trust the folder, right? I'm gonna say that I do trust it, and I open Cloud. I'm gonna open Cloud again. I just open it in another terminal, right? And I think 2 for now should be fine. I don't think I'll need more than this. So first thing is the idea, right? So just describe the idea. Hi, buddy. I hate this music so much. Ah! Bro, just give me something like... Maybe this is not the channel, you know? No copy background music. Is this gonna be good? Let's find out. It has the anime picture. You never know. We'll find out. We'll leave it for now. Okay? Let's hide this, because this is a shame that we didn't know. Ah, I just took the chat again. Okay, now it's good again. You gotta learn. So we're here. Hi buddy, I'm planning on creating an app for Android that allows me to connect multiple if I knew how to speak is better. Tooth. How do you fucking write that? I don't even know. Bluetooth. There's one thing. Did I write it well? Bluetooth. There's 2 O's. There's 2 O's. Is it well? It doesn't look like it. Okay, I guess it is. Bluetooth. Yeah, it is good. It looks weird though. I don't know why. Low-key turn it off, the music. Okay, I'm just gonna try one more time. One more. Like, this is instrumental, okay? This should be fine. Fuck, it isn't. Okay, no copyright lo-fi. Lo-fi is awesome. Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so let me know if this is good. So now, what we're gonna do is ask him to make a plan. So to make a plan, you need to do shift tab, and you see accept on edits, plan mode. I activated plan mode because I want him to do a plan for this, you know? Hi buddy, I'm planning on creating an app for Android that allows me to connect to multiple Bluetooth. This looks weird, dude, but okay. Devices, so that I can listen to music at the gym at the same time that my sister does. The idea is that we would be able to connect both our earbuds and jam. What do you think? Your face is the way. Alright. What do you think? Good enough. Your face is in the way. My face is in the way. That is correct. That is correct. You are totally correct. So I'm going to put this guy here, and I'm going to put this guy as it was before. I had it like this, and then I had another one. So the one that is going is this one. I'm gonna have it in here on the top, and this could be the cloud. This way you can see all of them, see? So my face is in one of the squares. Yeah. Alright. Cool. So let's see what he said. Which approach interests you more for this app? Wi-Fi based sync recommended. 2 phones on the same Wi-Fi. Nah. Dual Bluetooth from one phone. Yes, one phone streams 2 pairs of earbuds. Technically challenging. Depends on chipset support and may require low-level APIs. Won't work on all devices. See, this is the problem. Bluetooth LE Audio Auracast uses the new Bluetooth LE Audio broadcast feature. The right solution technically, but requires both the phone and the earbuds to support LE Audio. Newer hardware only. Explore all options. Type something. Yeah, of course. Are you sure that Spotify can do this? How does Spotify do it? I want it to be on one device. Using Bluetooth. Because if we use the Wi-Fi, it's not gonna work. I want it to be on one device using Bluetooth to stream to multiple earbuds. Okay, what is your Android development experience? That doesn't matter. What is your Android? What is yours? I'm not gonna be the one doing it. You know? Beginner, intermediate, advanced, type something. You will be the one doing it. Yeah. Flu Moxing. And there are only Samsungs. I don't know about it yet. I mean, I posted it on the thing. I don't know if people will join. Wait, do people say something? Probably not. This is the craziest thumbnail ever. Day 1 of vibe coding with Villain Technology. So this is the thing. You do it, and then once it's done doing it, we'll see. You can see how he thinks. Searching for patterns. Okay, the project folder is empty. Fresh start. The name. It's fitting. Yeah. Here's one phone, two earbuds. This is technically possible on modern Android phones. Here's how. Many Android phones, 8 plus, have dual ADP support back into the chipset. Pixel. This requires working with low-level Bluetooth APIs and hidden methods, and it won't work on every phone. The app would need to scan discover Bluetooth audio devices, connect to simultaneously play music and route audio to both. Yeah. So this is a problem. It's not gonna work for all phones, so maybe only gonna work to phones that already have it, which sucks. What do you think? Should we try a different route? Should we try to do a different one? Because if we do Wi-Fi, it could work. However, there's like security problems maybe, and I'm not sure, man. Phone model. Oh, your phone connects to multiple, just doesn't play sound on them. That's true. That is true. That is true. Yes. So phone model. What kind of phone? So I have a Xiaomi. Xiaomi Note 9 Pro. Something like that. Music source. Share system audio, any app. Yeah. Both options, I guess. Why can't I go down? Was like 5 years old and had that feature. So most phones nowadays probably have it. Yep, we're gonna need to check. Okay, now it's going. Tech stack, native, Kotlin, yeah, definitely Kotlin. Yeah. Send me the answers, let's see. We should check if Spotify only has the share audio feature on iPhone. Yeah, we should. Let's check. Yeah, it's good enough. So let's see what's happening. As a Snapdragon and the Bluetooth 5.0. So this is great info. Well, chipsets generally have good dual. Okay, so that's awesome. Qualcomm, everything is fucking Qualcomm, right? Let me now design a proper implementation for this app. Web search, tool use, alright. You want to proceed? Yes. You can search the web, no problem. I don't mind it. Claude, summary. Each person streams separately. This is the app, Spotify group session. Each person, but that's not what you want. Apple Share Audio, iOS, 2 pairs. Samsung Dual Audio, Samsung OS, 2 devices. Auracast. Virtually Unlimited. This is the best Auracast LE audio. Single audio stream, the operating system and Bluetooth are irresistible. These songs are not amazing, I'm gonna be honest with you. I mean, that's why they don't have copyrights, I guess. Music, literally every single YouTuber uses it at least once. Are they non-copyrighted? Are they non-copyrighted? Ah! I don't know. Feels like summer. Free. Copyright free. Chill vibes. Is it non-copyrighted? You never know, dude. Copyright free music, background music for YouTube videos. Okay. Alright, I don't really know, man. This is crazy. We should check Spotify. Sure. Featured on iPhone Android as well. Yeah. So this guy is now working on it, working on the plan. Well, that's happening. I should find like the best type of music to have. It's not easy, man. EDM, maybe? Like coding. Coding, no copyright music, let's see. There's people that code, they have a specific vibe, you know? That's what I'm thinking. I don't know what kind of vibe it is. But they have a less techie. Oh, hacker programming and coding. But does it have no copyrights? There's 0 distractions. Yeah, but do you have copyrights? That's the thing. Bro, the most important part is the no copyrights. You know? Oh, this one. Coding, background music, no copyrights. Copyright free. This is just one song. Yeah, and then there's one heart right here. And Playboy Cardi, are you crazy, dude? Do you wanna end my career that hasn't even started yet? Come on, man. Let me see. The guy's still working, see? Gaming music. Maybe that's the way to go. Gaming music. Is it gaming music the way to go? We'll find out. It's so bad, man. Oh, I like this. I like this. I like this. Royalty free, safe music. I like. This is the vibe. This might be it, dude. This might be it. Yes! Yes! I don't know yet, we'll find out. But the vibe is this one, like I like this 80s synthwave. Really like it. It's techy, like you were saying. So yeah. Let's roll. Alright. Man, the guy, he's working for 6 minutes. He wasted 1.5k tokens. That's crazy. Gonna have a chat here. Imagine I have the chat like here. Wait, I can have the chat here. No, because then if I click on it, it's not gonna disappear. I can have it for now. Well, it does work. Okay, so plan. We did the plan. 12 tools used. This is the token that is using. See, 50k tokens just for this. Excellent. The research came back with a very thorough design. Let me now write the plan and check a couple things for you. Yeah, of course. Let me just move the chat a little bit. Let me just yeah. Just put the shot down here. You know? Put it here. You're my top fan. There's a couple important. Before I start, there is a couple of important questions. Then oh man, I fucked up. I fucked up the thing again. Wait, I can have this at the volume that I want. I just need to have this one down more. Okay. See if it's hitting the 40s. I think it's good. Yeah. So now it should be good. You tell me. Yeah, like this maybe. Alright, so let's see what this guy wants. Yeah, man, when I'm famous you can say that. Dev setup. Okay. Do you have Android Studio? We need to build it. Yes, I have. What Android version is currently running on your phone? This is critical. Works best on Android 12 Plus. Let's see. I'm gonna make it. We should make the app in a way that works for the most devices possible. Shouldn't it run on most? Yeah, that's what I said. Review range answers. Yeah, that's checked. New Figma update is amazing. What is that? Let's see. It was just now. Oh, yeah, this one. Brother, I. We'll go right back to that. Has written up a plan, is ready to execute. Would you like to proceed? So let's see. Yeah, alright. No. So let's see. This devices, implement. Connect second device. Okay. Yeah, that sounds good to me. I'm lagging. Really? You see my hands moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know how that's happening.
File, a starter team even. This feature will be
Once
active.
in a while
You
it
can now
lags, I don't
use
know. Alright.
bounding boxes with vectors to edit quickly. So these little anchor points that appear whenever you're trying to edit a vector, a line, or design something with the pen tool, well, you can select multiple of these anchor points and edit them as if you were editing a rectangle or a circle. You can rotate it almost like in a group and even increase or decrease the size of these together. So instead of having to edit each anchor point individually, incredibly fast, is now available. Make nerds are going to enjoy this one. Anthropic's Claude
No
Opus
way.
6, which is incredibly fast, is now available as a model that you can choose inside Figma Make. Something
Wow.
which you would have to pay for is for a limited time free on Figma
I can
Make.
use
So if you
4.6 on Figma.
able to use this on any other platform, can use it here on Figma Make for free. The next one is great for people who use Google Workspace. Now you can use Figma with Google Workspace inside Google Chats. Anytime you or any of your teammates make a change to your Figma file, it can be updated inside Google Chat. And it's not just for view only, you can actually reply to comments, etc. that you made inside Figma by your teammates.
What? That's
The
crazy.
new iPhones, iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max, as well as iPhone Air are now available as devices in your Figma preview. If you preview a prototype, you can now include one of these around your prototype. Nice to have update, I would say. You now have Figma as an integration inside Claude, essentially like an app inside Claude. You can just refer to Figma and open a Fig Jamboard inside Claude. And whatever you ask it to do, whether it's creating a flowchart out of data that you already have, or a flowchart out of a prop that you add,
That's
to Claude,
insane, dude.
What really stood out, you can upload a design file, or you can upload an image, and you can ask it to take out colors, etc. from that image. It could be your logo, etc. So your flowchart look like your brand colors.
Yeah, no more joking, dude.
You have it for weekly videos every Monday and Thursday.
Okay, I'm good with that. Let me see how this guy doing. So see, this is gonna take some time because it's just creating the app from scratch. We should ask him to use different, like multiple agents, you know, so that it's faster. Because there's gonna be multiple, just not just one agent working at the same time. I can actually try and do that. Let me see. I think he just does it by himself, but if this takes a long time, maybe I can ask him. The thing is that if you do that, maybe agents, yeah, so instead of just being one guy working, you can have multiple guys working, you know, like one doing one thing, the other one doing another thing. Basically. Oh my god, it's 1 AM. That's crazy. But this is gonna be fucking awesome. Yeah, it's crazy, man. And there's ways for you to have them talking one to each other, you know. Actually, let's check that.
Take a look at this. I have 4 instances of Claude Code working at the exact same time together to perform a code review on my code base. And this is all thanks to the new Agents Teams feature that Anthropic has built into Claude Code. And man, let me tell you, it really does look like I'm peering into the future of agentic engineering when I am using it. So we have our primary lead agent on the left-hand side. And in real time, I watched it spin up each one of these TMUX terminals to create these agents to collaborate on the same task. Now, people have been doing this sort of split-pane, multi-TMUX terminal sort of setup for a while now. So it's not really new. But there are a couple of things that make this super novel. The first is that our primary agent, it actually decided the team to form based on the request that I gave it. And the other part of this that makes it so powerful is that under the hood, each one of these agents is working on the exact same task list together. So this goes way beyond sub-agents. These agents actually talk to each other like, oh, let me complete this before you work on this. They have that kind of communication that makes it so that we can take this idea of parallel agents a lot further. So in this video, I want to cover how Agent Teams works with you. It's a new experimental feature that you have to enable. We'll talk about how to set it up. I also really want to cover how Agent Teams is different from sub-agents. A lot of people are confused by this right now because they operate really similarly. The main difference is we have collaboration versus isolation. There are pros and cons here that I want to cover. Agent Teams is really powerful, but it is not perfect. So we'll get into that, which will also lead into a template that I have for you. This is a command that I've built. Basically, you can use this to give instructions for Claude Code on how to use Agent Teams better. Because believe it or not, even though this is a feature built into Claude Code, it's not from Anthropic. However, there is a lot of information here. It's pretty overwhelming. So I just want to break it down nice and simple for you right now. So the first thing you have to do, because this is an experimental feature that is far from, might affect the way that we see documentation. Like maybe we need to make sure we document any potential security issues that exist in the code base. I think you get the idea of how not necessarily mean also shipping.
Yeah, okay. Alright. Also, while this is happening, I should monitor the usage. Because since this is a big task, it's gonna use a lot of monies to make, but we'll see. I'm at 10%, but it resets in 14 minutes, so I should use it the most I can right now. That's crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, this one doesn't show each, but yeah. How much can you use? Well, since I pay a bunch, I can use a lot, but it's like every 5 hours it resets, and I'm at 10% right now. I can use 100%. So right now I use 10% of all the tokens that I can use in 5 hours. You know, that's all. Create UI theme, navigation screens and components, and then create view models and main activity. Let's see how this is going to work. While that's happening, I could be working on my other app, you know? I can work on multiple things at the same time. The latest version of the other one. 5 hours isn't that much. Isn't that much time. That's nice. Yeah, it's not... I mean, yeah, for the price, it is. But if you think about it, like if you're paying a developer, it's going to be much more expensive. So this is the way to go. I want to check out Figma's Opus, man. That's insane that they have Opus. And you might be possible to use Opus for free. I'm not sure that you can. I think Figma Make is just for paying customers. I'm not 100% sure. Look at it! It's here! So if I go back, you wanna try something? Let's try something. I wanna create a new make. Tell me what website to make. I wanna see how it performs. Like right now I'm using Claude, okay. Tell me a website to make. Let's say, yeah, I'm gonna use the same that I used the other time. Is that the latest version? Yes, that's the best. You say that crying, yeah, exactly. Man, I'm crying too because I'm fucked as well. It's not just the devs. What do you mean? What do you mean? Yeah, so I'm gonna make, yeah, create a landing page for Cherry AI. An IDE that combines, that makes the bridge between design and code. Let's see what it does. Let's see Claude working. While that's happening, this is still working on the UI, and I don't know if I have credits. I think it's a limited time, the guy was saying. Yeah, the latest version, that's like the best that you can use, so right now. Because I know I saw somewhere that there was some kind of credits or something, like after you spend it. It doesn't appear anymore, so I guess it's infinite, which is insane if it's infinite that you can use. So yeah, this guy is working. He's cooking. You can see him cooking. Well, this guy's cooking as well. 34,000 tokens. Also, shouldn't you sleep, Brad? No, this is paid Figma. You need to pay to have it, but it's great because you can change the design in Figma after you did it. Let's have an image of it. Okay. Well, in that case, it's not gonna be easy. Well, this is definitely the style that we're going for in terms of music, but this might not be the best playlist. But that's definitely the style. I'm gonna try another one. Just to see. Just to try it, you know? Let's see. I like synthwave musics. That's the way to go. So, is Claude done? Okay, he's roasting. It's not cooking, man. He's roasting this guy. chronic insomniac. It's not bothering me at all. Well, I don't know what to tell you, brevs. It is bothering me because tomorrow I have to wake up at 9. And I'm here. So that's crazy. Same, yeah. Let's see. And I tried to call Kiku and he didn't pick up. Alright. Cooked for 11 minutes. And he did it. Let's see. Same lol. About Rotlock? What do you mean? Oh no, because it's his birthday. Fast created, build a system. Alright, so open the project in another studio and let's go, let's build, it's done. Let's check it out. So then, this is the type of thing. You need to know a little bit of coding just for these things. But imagine, I know how to do this. If you didn't know how to do this, then you would ask the AI how to do it. But I know, so I don't need to. I just open the new window, trust project, yes, and now I have dual blue open here. I can close the other ones. That's the one that we want to try, and I'm going to build it. It's importing it, and I'm gonna see the build. Oh damn, happy birthday Kiki. Yeah, he's not here, but indeed. So now you're just basically praying not to have a error or something in here while you're importing it. Done, build successful. That's awesome. But wait a minute. Okay, so once this is done, inside of the folder, this folder, there's gonna be an APK file created. It's still loading somehow. Problem reports available at problem reports. I don't see any errors, brevs, but it's still loading somehow because it's downloading Gradle 9.0. So let's see what Figma cooked. Well, that's added. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right. So see this? This was made by Figma. As you can see, it looks good. Has animations and everything. Loaded by developers, a bunch of. I told you, man. I told you were fucked. You don't believe me. And you're seeing what they're doing with my coding. There is 3D game design as well. There's no way to run away. You gotta make billions. Now you see this. This is a little bit meh. But this was what Opus did. This here. Do I have it? Do I have it? Do I have it? Yeah. This is what Gemini did. I like these animations here. And this is not bad, you know. We have to make bank soon. Yes, yes. It feels like magic. Wow. You know? Join the cult. It's very nice. Ready to buy. It's very nice. Even just to get some ideas and use this as inspiration. They always use these crazy gradients. Like, you can look at a website and just know that it was vibe coded. Like this one is clearly vibe coded. Maybe I can give it a prompt to try and change it, like make the design. Let me see. Design this in a brutalist style. With all UX, UI best practices. Done. can probably use references to. Yeah, you can. You can just paste it here. There's crazier stuff. Like if I can show you other things, but let me just see what's happening. So did Gradle build? What plug I can close? Project update recommended. Okay. Okay, so see? There is problems. There's problems. It shows this. There's probably more. I need to send this to the AI somehow. Just go in here and show warnings, show successful steps. No, show warnings. Okay. Can I share this somehow with my brother? Okay, so there's one warning. I want to see just the warnings. Right, so let's go in here. I'm gonna do this one, and I'm gonna go ahead, send this to the guy, just so that he knows. Yeah. So you wanna be sad? Let's be sad together. So you've seen what Figma did. It's now making this in a brutalist form, which is gonna make it so much better. But I want to show you some stuff. So first of all, I'll show you variant. Tell me whatever you want. Just tell me. Like the same. Let's do the same prompt. Same prompt. Okay. Same prompt. This is completely free, by the way. You just go in here. You paste it. Bams. It's insanity. Completely insanity. Well, that's cooking. Yeah, so that's cooking. This is variant.com. This one is going to show you many different styles to do the same thing, which is amazing. So yeah, this is the problem. What is it? Let me check. Do you have installed? Yeah, do you want to proceed? Yes, it's going to update it. Let me see. Variant cooking still? Yes. Searching for inspirations, all styles, and it cooks. One thing that I want to try is this one. These guys are amazing, but I cannot use it because it's paid. But it's very nice for me to get inspirations. I need to check it. Yeah, for this project you can edit. Let me see if Figma cooked. It's still cooking. Alright. Still cooking. Well, they always look like this, man. That's the thing. Like all of them have this card, these gradients. It's insane. Okay, let me verify. Use Flash agents to optimize specific tasks. You know? See? Flash agents. Okay, Figma just cooked. Look at that. This is what you achieve with a good prompt or a better prompt. This is ridiculous. Oh. Is everything okay? Are we here? Why did the music stop? Are we live? Oh, we are. It's just that my device changed, right? Yeah, that's it. We're good. Sure, younger you would look at your PC in awe. Indeed. Indeed, Brevs, indeed. Features, process, system honest pricing. And this is also responsive. Whoa. It's responsive. Completely responsive. Amazing. Woo! It's crazy, man. 9 public beta. Designed to code in seconds. There's so many opportunities for us to make banks. Show you the variants probably cooked already. So let's see. Look at that. Oh, so this is one of the styles. It used the same style that I like. So you see, this is one way of doing it. This is another one. There's another one, like more of a clean one. And you can scroll down. If I scroll down, it creates more. So I can be scrolling non-stop, and it's gonna be creating non-stop. And that's how it is. Yeah, in seconds, you know, just go down. If I go like this, it's gonna create like 10 instead of 2. And yeah, now I'm loading like 6 for designs now, and I can click on them and see them. Oh, the full website. So it creates multiple websites, not just one. Look, with interactions, documentation, whatever. And yeah, and then I can just go ahead and pick this one and say change this, change that, and it does it. Yeah. Many different styles. It's very nice to pick the style that you're going for. So yeah, the world is about to change, and people don't know. Look at this! 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 Do you see where this is? Crazy, brevs. What is this one? Pixel perfect sync, design token extraction. It like I didn't ask for this. This is it. This is very important. This is real things, real problems that people have. You know? They just know. I heard I'm done. This is just insane. Like this is fucking stupid. If we go on back to Claude, did it cook? Yeah, it did. I would say yes, but it's not gonna work. I need to be the one doing it, probably. Yeah, this is not gonna work, I don't think. So yeah. What is this, man? This is assembling the debug. I can just do it myself. I need to tell the AI. Like, remember that I will be the one. I'll tell them, remember, I will be building, be the one, be. So what do you think, Sarah? Do you think that you would be able to do this? What do you think? I don't know how Ubuntu works, meanwhile AI exists somehow. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't think so, I don't know a lot of code though. Yeah, like right now, there's a little bit of a breach, but it's a small one. It's a very small breach. You know some stuff about coding. But yeah, once this breach is completely zero, I was gonna get onto a point that you just talk, you know? Speaking of it, I should, yeah, let me just check these ones. Yeah, these ones are not too amazing. But yeah, components detected, that's, we actually want this on it. I'm getting sleepy. This is taking a longest time. I should tell him to use subagents if it helps. Yeah. This is changing my Gradle version. I hope this is a product specific one. Product specific. Specific to this project. Yeah, so it made the code not for this version of Gradle, and now it's changing it back. So yeah. I want to check something, but I don't know if I shouldn't be showing this on stream. Final glink. Oh, I didn't check. Alright. Well, let's see. So if I log in, we can do this one. It's okay. Alright. So if I search for, this is very nice. Like imagine I search for a cart. Actually, yeah, hamburger. Let's just say cart. I can see a bunch of carts. Which is very nice. For inspirations, you know. If I have the Pro, I could see all the interactions and stuff that I don't have. So I cannot see. They only show a little bit. Should make a tiny robot connected to our AI so it looks like you're talking to someone, something cute. Yeah, definitely. Man, it's trying to get the compatibility, but it doesn't It doesn't need to, cause I'll try to run it. I'll try to run it. Okay, forget about it. Bebopping. It's bebopping, man. The browser. I'm trying to get the BRB. Can I cut it? No. Cutting it is like this. Nope. Like this, yeah. You guys can see on the screen what I'm doing probably. So imagine I go somewhere, I just put this. And this way, you'll know. I'll have my camera for me going away and coming back. So I'm gonna leave this running, and I'll be right back, guys. See you in a minute. Welcome, 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 welcome back. You can do stream layouts for me, yes, indeed. That would be nice, but I don't know where I would put them, how I would use them. But I think that would be very nice of you. Sinks mean SDK is 29, okay. Okay, he's gonna be using. Alright. But what would I need? I think using stream elements, having my chat appear on stream might be nice. I'm not sure. Like, imagine I had the chat appear here. You know, like this, or something. You know, so people can put full screen. Just an idea. Besides, and that's like something simple. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Tiny PNG placeholder. Alright. This is insane. The amount of things that it's doing is insane. Like, I bet that if I was more familiar with what I was doing, that this would be faster. Because I don't know why he's trying to change Gradle. Isn't compatible with any. Oh, okay. Downgrade to. Alright. So it's downgrading my Gradle version. I don't know if it's specific for this project. I hope it is. Because if it isn't, I'm fucked. Because when I'm gonna go back to Roblox, it's gonna stop working. So I don't know. How that's gonna go. What Gradle is like the thing that builds it. Here. This. That assembles the app. This. Just a little elephant. So yeah, that's it. It's wiggling. Band. Man, life used to be good, man. You used to put copyrighted songs on your streams. That was the time to be. You know? People don't realize it. Let's see if I go here. Nice icons. Build successful. Build successful. Now using subagents in parallel. See, so now instead of just being one dude working, there's multiple. Build successful with 0 warnings. The app is ready. Okay. Open file. Open. Okay. I don't want to open it. I want to see it. So I know what it is. I'm gonna get it. .apk. There you go. So this is at 119, 119. This is just now. Let's test it out, Brevs. I'll send it to you. Let's test it out. So I'm going to install it now. Actually, I don't need to install it. I can just go in here and check it here so that everybody sees. So I guess, do I need to do something? Like if I do this, I need to build it here. Can I build it here? Should be able to. I want to test it on my phone as well. Because it doesn't really matter for me to open it anywhere else, right? Oh my god, it has a logo, dude! He made a logo for it! Look! I don't know if you guys can see the logo, probably not. He made a logo for it. That's crazy. That's insane. Oh, you can't. This is just for Android. I sent it so that I can send it to my phone. But this is just for Android. Do you think they get mad when another agent isn't doing enough? I don't know, man, but that's it, dude. I'm here. Look. Can you see? Did it finish? No. It's here. I have it connected, so I guess I need to check. So I need to give permissions for Bluetooth. I'm granting the permissions. Trying to grant it. There's latency offset. Oh my god, this is so awesome. Okay, so it's not prompting me to give permissions, which is crazy. I'm gonna give them anyways because I know how to do it, but nothing happens. Auto set permission. Alright. I'll give it permission so that. You wanna try it out? I can bring my earbuds there. Yeah, in a second. I just wanna see if it does anything. And I need to get mine as well. They're in my jacket, if you could bring them. But let me just try to put it working first with nothing. Okay, so that's going. Bluetooth audio and storage permissions are needed. Nothing's happening. Scan. This is so cool. I'll just say. Okay, so I'll just say that. Okay. Now try building Android Studio instead of my phone. No. Did it work? I don't know if it worked. Gradle version, yeah, because on Android Studio I'm using number 9. I can just build it from here. It's okay. So, when I press grant to grant. Wait. It says. Actually, you know what? I'll just do this. This is even better because then I show you how it looks. So I'm gonna send it to you, and I'm gonna send what I sent to you to him. So yeah, I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna send this to him. You can see it. So I'm taking a print screen just to show him. You can probably see it. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to view. Alright. So I put the image here. Let me hide this again. View. Don't show. Learn this with Pedro. It says permissions required. Permissions required, but when I press grant, nothing happens. Man, it has a lot of stuff. Tap connect devices. I don't have any devices here, brevs. That's crazy. Device A, device B. So this is dual. This is for 2. I think that's the most. That's the most used one. But I want to click on grant. Nothing happens. Let's see what this guy says. Problem is the main activity sets on request permissions says on view model instance. But the home screen gets a different instance. Yeah. Okay, so it's fixing it and it's gonna build it afterwards. Do you want me to get them? Let me just build this one, put it on my phone, and then we can get it. Yo! So yeah, man. We got it. Me too, man. Me too. I think it's gonna be very nice. Yeah, and the thing is, tomorrow we're gonna go. You know? So it's just in time. And I have no ads. I can show you how it looks. I don't know if you can. I mean, you saw that already. But yeah. But what do you think about the future, man? Now seeing these things. How adless life is, yeah. Let me see my usage. Like, after doing all of this, how is my cloud usage going? If we're going to usage, I've been using it like crazy, but it just resetted. Because it said it was going to reset 10 minutes ago. So I used for half an hour now, and I used 6%. But that's because I'm paying the crazy plan, you know. So we good, man. Good. Turn on extra users to cloud. Oh yeah, because I have 43 euro for extra usage. Cool. Ethnical Go Extinct. Yeah, that is very, very likely. The thing is that we have 2 years, dude. We got 2 years, and in these 2 years, we need to make billions, millions of billions. You know? It's very important that we make millions of billions. We don't have a lot of time. That's why I'm selling you. Let's make money. Okay, so successful builds. Yeah, so it said that it built it and it's not good. So remember that I had this APK file here. APK, I'll check. Oh my god, I need a dot. And this was made 127, that's 128, so I didn't check it in time. I will send this to you again, so I can use it. And let's go back. Run it back. So now I have to uninstall the one I have and check that one. There's so many apps being created. Blue. Man, I like the logo too. The logo is awesome. I don't know, man. They're making logos now. That's crazy. Installing it. I think yeah. Thing is that this is not funny. This is very scary. Dude, they're making everything. Yeah, right now, as we speak, there's millions of people doing things. They're gonna need to market it. Okay, so I open it. Now let's see if I click on grant. Okay, now it's working. It worked. I have permissions. Okay, bring it on, dude. Bring it on. It's done. I have the permissions. Can you bring mine as well? Bring mine, please. It's on my... It's on the dining room, on the pockets, either on the pockets of my big long jacket or on the table. Probably on the big long jacket pockets or on the fluffy one. One of the two jackets are on the table. If you could bring it. If not, I can go get it. What's up? Did you bring it? Let's see. You are live, by the way. You're also the only viewer, but it's fine.
There's 2 people.
There's 2 people.
Yeah.
I other person. Might be me. I don't know. If there's another person, it's okay.
I'm just telling you that this happens way too often. I know I'm that person.
All right. So I'm gonna click on connect devices, and I'm gonna do a scan. Guys, I'm sorry you cannot see. It's scanning the devices. And I don't know.
What if you
That's not a bad idea. I don't know how it works though. Quick grant after. Scan other devices. Should I put my Bluetooth on? Oh, okay. Having the Bluetooth on helps.
It's working.
Alright, so this one.
And you don't have mine.
Because I need to scan it.
Yeah.
Is it on?
Mm-hmm.
What's the name?
Redmi Buds something. Those are the ones, yeah.
I'm doing two things at the same time. I'm just getting them, taking them away, and now they should appear here. Allegedly, because mine appeared. So connect devices.
Yeah.
They're here. So mine, A, B. Bam. Let's see. Okay, they're connected. Guys, this could be history.
Much needed app.
This could be history.
Are you hearing
Are you hearing
it?
it?
I am hearing it.
You are hearing it?
I am.
I'm not.
You're not. Fuck. I'm hearing it.
Wait. Because maybe I'm connected to you. Yes, I am connected to you. Oh, because this one is that. Okay. Are you? Me too? Can you hear? I don't.
Man. And yours is the main.
I don't hear it. Wait, there's this. But that's crazy. Music player. Local music. There's a music player! Really? Yeah, music player. That's cool. I didn't know that.
Dang.
Okay. Alright. So I'll send that over. And continue running. Do you mind deleting the thing here?
No, you're good.
Where?
You're good. You're good too.
Oh, do you mind me testing them?
No, you're good.
Yeah? I'm not gonna make them show them.
Turn off my phone.
Let's see, this one I really do.
Why did you turn it off?
Alright, you're gonna be here after these messages.
No. Oh,
We're good. It still shows the disconnect on. Let's try again. Wait. Tom. Connect devices. I will try the other way around. Select yours first, and then mine. Connect both. I'm connected. Are you connected? I hear it.
damn.
So only device B is listening. also wanna have it send. I think that's showing that it's activated. So yeah, brevs, that's it. So I do it.
Man, I want it to work.
If it's possible, this guy knows how to do it. On me. What to say? I don't know why I didn't do it. Save as. Okay. Let's do that again. Nobody knows. Only device is audible. There is only one act.
Wait.
Alright. Done. Now let's see this guy crystallizing.
Uses some very extreme words.
Right? But I mean, it doesn't exist for a reason. It's not easy to make.
Yeah,
That's
bro.
probably it.
Someone has to have thought.
What do you think of my thought? And then,
Amazing.
yeah. So we'll see. See how it goes. But now that you've seen what this bad boy is capable of, like, did you check? Do the rest of the things. Like, I didn't ask nothing. You saw what I asked, right?
Yeah.
Like, look. Bluetooth. There's dual blue is blue. There's dual thingies. Two earbuds, two headphones. I don't know what MX is, but it made a whole music player. It has the settings. Look at the thing. Latency.
He told you about all of that. I read
Yeah.
something.
Man, this is insane. Like, there's latency. You can go to device A, device B. For latency, like if it's faster on my device or on your device. Very nice, man.
Well, I hope it works eventually.
Yeah.
I don't want to use it tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Tomorrow.
Oh my god,
bro.
tomorrow we're gonna go to the gym. I need to sleep.
Yeah, I need to sleep too, man.
Yeah.
At least I ain't gonna make me
Nine.
Uh,
Besides that, how is the streaming experience? You need to give me more tips, like things for me to improve on, to become a menace to society in a good way. Don't need to give me now live unless you want.
Check the chat more.
Really? I thought I'm checking it a lot.
No, sometimes I send something 5 million years after.
It could be delay, like send something.
Maybe.
Okay, no, it isn't.
It's not delay.
It's mental delay.
Yeah. Also, have you felt that you are? I think you're dyslexic, like actually dyslexic.
I cannot. Sarah, when I said that I'm dyslexic, I wasn't saying it in a fun way.
You are actually.
I'm actually dyslexic. I said it many times. I used to write the 3s and the 7s backwards in school, and the 5s. I remember that.
Well, now I feel like shit, so thank you. For
Okay,
that.
I mean, it's fine. I don't mind. I'm okay with it.
Okay.
I flip things, you know.
Sure.
There's a lot of genius bros that are dyslexic. So it's fine.
I like this.
That's him, man. That's Claude. That's how he identifies himself. There's a little dude. It's cute.
It is.
So I'm getting stuff from GitHub. Some guys helping me.
Thank God.
We'll see. Only run is active. outputs to the active device, but our dual audio router tracks never receives PCM data during. Nothing bridges except as decoded audio to dual audio tracks. Audio processors that intercepts EXO player
The fuck is that?
targeting the non-active device. That's what we want. Targeting the non-active device. This guy's learning stuff. He's asking me if he can go on websites to learn stuff, you know. And I'm here jamming to some musics. I need some like sunglasses or something to be doing this. Actually, can you check if I have sunglasses over here? Not that I'm gonna use them.
We're just checking for fun.
Yeah. I think I had sunglasses somewhere. I don't have. I had sunglasses somewhere.
Not here.
Check on the next one. And if it's not, I'm good. No? Alright. I used to have sunglasses.
I feel like you're there.
Me too. I need to find some to check the size for me to get the other glasses, the meta glasses.
Yeah.
Oh my god! I have extra pair of these dudes.
Oh, yeah, you can use them to check.
Yeah, I can use them to check. That's good. Yeah, I don't have them here. Sadly. That's it, man. Gotta make them monies.
You think this will make money?
Hmm?
Think this will make money?
I don't know if this will make money, but not doing nothing doesn't make money. Watching videos on Instagram doesn't make money.
Who are you talking about?
Me?
Oh.
Wow. Not just me. Definitely you. But alright. It's scurrying. Kaboom! We can't even put that one. You know?
Does that song have copyright?
Definitely has the guys making money. I wanna know how much money that guy made. Let's find out. Grand.
Love Kaboom.
Yeah. Kablau. This is gonna work. Come on.
I think it's like K-A.
Rebranded it. There you go. So is this guy. Oh, it's not that much.
I thought it was way more.
Yeah, well, there's. See, all of these views give him money. Right? So I guess it's around 2 million. Because it's this one plus everything else. Probably a little bit more than 2 million. Say, how much money you get from 2 views song on YouTube? We have 8k. Yeah, probably 8k.
You're saying Kablau Kaboom.
Yeah.
God damn, man. Y'all here wasting opportunities.
There's not much, man. 8k really. Guy made a.
Yeah,
For what he did,
nothing,
he made a. Yeah.
Right?
Let's see. Build successful. Root cause. Okay, let's find out. Let's go. See, this is why I don't see the chat. Where is the chat? I don't know. Bam. So I need to click. You know. That's the issue.
Yeah,
I think if I close, oh look at my usage here. Reset. And I use 11%. So
it's like nothing.
yeah, I'm Gucci. But that's because I'm paying. Oh, did I close the music? I closed the music. Oh no. History. 5 tabs. Restore window. We good. We're back. So now that that's going, we're gonna go again search again for the APK file and send it to my sys. Let's see. Isn't that what you want? Isn't that what you want? Man, it would be very nice if it works because
Man, I'm mad that I don't have my old phone here so that we could test it with another phone
yeah,
that we know how to do it.
I mean I can use it on a fake phone in the PC, but
How are you gonna connect it?
well, if the fake phone can use the Bluetooth from my PC, I don't know. Yeah, of course.
Wow.
Imagine that this is like that we make $3 million from this, and we have it on stream.
I'd be very happy.
So I have to grant the permissions. While I use the app, allow it. I will allow it. Now I'm gonna have my Bluetooth on, and now let's test it out. I don't know if these guys work, so let's test it out, me and you. So we're good, and connect devices. So I'm gonna go with TuneFlex and Redmi and connect both. So I can test it out correctly. Did you hear it connecting?
God damn.
Let's see if there's a bunch of Dang it! I think it might be impossible. I think my Android only allows to have one active device. Okay, let's see what is cooking. Who's going? I don't know. Yeah, like imagine I can just go do something and do like looking on my other computer. We could be here like talking to that. Doing what I'm doing, maybe. Oh, even if you want. Do you have social anxiety with robots? So you're telling? Whoa, wait, wow, wait. So
I
you're
don't wanna
telling me?
What if the revolution comes and I said something you don't like it and you joke me?
Well, you talk to him nicely, and you say something
Sure,
bad.
I talk to everyone nicely, but they may not take it nicely. They're, I don't know me.
You can talk to the thing nicely, and you'll be fine.
Are you sure? Did he tell you that?
I don't know, but why not talking to him is gonna save you from something?
I don't know. Maybe he'll be like, oh, she's innocent. It's okay. You know? Like she never abused me for a nap or something. You know? What if they're like, oh, they're in the basement and I can't even go on. What was it, Moltub or something?
You're not paying us enough, man. I can't even afford my Molotov subscription anymore.
Yeah. What if they think like that? You don't know, man.
I'm not.
And just for the record, you know, this is my face. Don't kill me. Do not kill me.
Yeah.
Please, please, please.
So, but you shouldn't be. This guy is a nice guy, man. I think. I mean, he's been helping me so far, but
It's a one-sided
he
relationship.
didn't tell me what he
It's a
wanted.
one-sided relationship, man.
I mean, I can ask him what you want. You know, you need my help. You know that. What's he actually thinking about that? You're saying like I want to put it on the PC and do whatever.
Have fun.
And there's you can do like it's different if you use mode, well, it's not like if this I talk to him and the mode was not he talks to you and you answer. He calls you. on your phone if you need to talk to the calls.
So I think I like that one better, because that way I'm not the only one reaching.
Yeah, but that one, sure. Like you can, if you have like an old PC or old phone or something, you can install it there and have him do stuff. You just message him, say, hey, what's up, and do it, and then he's gonna talk to you as well. So, yeah. Do you think so? Because I can see the bar moving here.
Maybe they can hear you, but I don't know.
Yeah, they probably can't see me.
Yes, they must be able to. I hope the AI heard me say, no, please do not do it.
Yeah, they also. Yeah.
Hope to.
This is a very heavy thing to do. How many hours do you have? Let me check one thing. Start analyze activity logs. Alpha logs in here. 20 hours studio. Let me check one thing.
Mm.
Dual feature, yeah.
I've only ever heard of dual connection to Spotify on iPhones and Samsung. All Samsung have.
What do you mean?
My old Samsung had, like, as a feature, but I didn't have to install it.
Yeah.
And on Spotify, on iPhone at least, it has that. I don't know if my Android does. I don't install it. Spotify. Because if it works on Spotify, it'll work on my iPhone.
It should, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to install it and install it again. Okay.
Wow.
Hello. How do you do that?
Play some.
Fusion.
Is that it? No. Play some.
I don't think it's very good.
What the fuck is going on with your phone, man?
On my phone, do this app.
Oh, it's not good.
The app is not the best app.
Okay.
Maybe I have to uninstall this app and install another one.
But I want to check is your phone or no? It was me. It's loud.
Boom. Why you mad, dude? Why you do this? Why you do?
I'm sorry.
I cannot open.
What the fuck?
Yeah, he's gonna install it. He didn't finish installing it. Now it should be good. Let's see. Just talking to Xiaomi. Kablow!
Kaboom!
Kablow! Lee! He's not gonna be able to make this. This is something they needed.
They need it. They need
Something that they need. I said needed it because I am sleeping. Hello, please. Kaboom, kablow.
Kaboom!
Kablow. Whoosh. I put on this chat.
Oh my god.
Who'd you click this?
Yes, the
I don't
Where
know.
do you happen to have tortillas?
I was eating one though.
Just plain tortilla?
Yeah, man, I was eating. I would click this better now.
Yeah.
Like, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you click this? I would click this twice, man. I would click this twice in a row. Nobody said none.
Do it.
Okay.
Do it.
Oh, I see.
Why do you have so many demons?
Yes, because I'm a person of God. You know? You know? That's that. I need another monitor. I need to get all the monitors. All the lights, all the lights. Do you think that this will work?
Hopefully. I don't know. I'm gonna be pissed if Spotify works and alright doesn't.
But do you see this workflow after that?
Mhm.
Every idea you can make. The only thing that I will ask from you is, do you make me company while I'm creating?
Oh yeah.
And, or like if you can, and if you want to have the money from it, to have it promoted, and if he pops, he pops. You never know. Nobody knows.
Music.
Nobody knows, dude.
Why the fuck is it so weird?
They're like, but ooh. I don't know, I think I fucked it up.
Yeah, I think you fucked it up.
I think I fucked it up already.
You can just look it up. Look at it. See it. I don't even know.
Put it on!
And
Yeah, I don't know. This guy is smarter than us.
that's true.
Let's see what this guy is cooking. We'll see.
What's cooking? Good looking?
Now, update content, okay. Research confirmed it's red browser does not support. No software trick can work around it. But there's one useful option to try, and the app should handle this gracefully.
It's great.
No. A useful option to try, and the app should handle this gracefully. Let me update the app to detect and clearly communicate this limitation. That's stupid. Guide the user to the maximum connected resolution. Recommended Squader as the reliable solution. This is something really bad. Why will we need okay, so we're gonna come with us. Alright. So is there anything else? The thing is, maybe I can.
You can make it work.
You can't. Because then I'm gonna have to use Xcode to create the app. And Xcode only exists on Mac, and I cannot use my Mac for that. This one. Not entirely sure, but that is actually something that we should try. But I don't know. It's probably is there another way?
Man, I'm tired.
Maybe Wi-Fi? We could try Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi sucks in the game. What if we connect our phones to Bluetooth from the... is there another way? Maybe Wi-Fi, question mark? 'Cause yeah, that's true. Maybe Wi-Fi? Or something?
Sure, ask.
Wi-Fi or like, yeah. Maybe Wi-Fi? Yeah, the internet in our gym sucks, so I'm not sure.
Are you gonna give them
The router,
for the internet to be better? said you had one during the radio.
I wanted to. Yeah, I mean that's an idea.
Right?
Let's do it. Let me check. Check. Mic check. So they just built one. I don't know. I think they did. This was 158. Yeah, it's a new. I'll send that one over. And let's see what this one is. Does your sister have another phone? She'd bring to the gym. This is which course to take. Yes. Yes, but I found what?
Yeah.
It's tricky. Yes,
Man,
but I
fuck
found.
iPhone, man. Shit bugs. Mine's pink though.
Hold on, I'm trying to get clipped. I'm trying to get clipped.
It's pink.
It's trying to get clipped.
It's pink.
Okay. Which approach do you want to go with? Hotspot! Hotspot works!
Do it!
Hotspot sounds awesome.
The
Your phone creates a hotspot, serves audio via a local web page, uses of the URLs in Safari, no app install needed on your end, more complex to build.
more complex to build. You see? AI okay.
Yeah man, that sounds awesome. That sounds awesome. Let's do that. This guy is smart, man, see? This guy's very smart. It needs to work because it's a hotspot, so it's not the internet from the thingy, it's my internet.
Yeah,
coming
but your
from it.
internet also
That is true. But it's different. It's different because it's gonna suck less, I think.
Is it?
I don't know.
sometimes the only internet that works is gyms. And it still sucks. Our gym sucks. Man, that's.
You can try.
Okay.
Tomorrow put the other one.
Sure.
You put the other one.
What are we doing?
Survival.
That's not that huge.
What else do I know?
Well,
Tomorrow. Man, I don't know what's happening. Everybody's on flight. Everybody's on flight. I don't know, dude. I don't know.
maybe, just maybe,
What?
they may have a superpower.
You think so?
It's a possibility,
I mean, okay, sure. Impacting conversation. Oh, it's impacting conversation. Alright. Alternatively, the simplest and most reliable option is the Bluetooth speaker dongle with 15 motherfucking bucks. So, yeah.
But what is that?
It's like a thing you put on it and it's gonna be a dongle. So, like a little thing that I put in it.
But then we don't.
Yes, let's try this one. Refer creates a hotspot, plays music, connects to your earbuds. Streams audio over the local network. Your system connects to your hotspot, so I'll send you a link. Once you are in that link, you can listen to it. But you need to be connected to my internet to do it. My internet.
Do you also have unlimited
Yes.
ones?
Once a simple web page.
Open.
Web page. Yeah. Earbuds.
Will that work?
We will find out. Eventually, we will find out. Right? Alright. I can say like use agents if needed. Like, just to say, dude,
Go for it.
yeah, use all the power.
Great power.
Comes with great responsibilities. So yeah, man. Are you changing your mind a little bit about the mainland?
No, I still don't. I don't wanna.
You're being a species.
No,
You're being a species.
they're taking my job. They're taking your job.
I
No,
know.
I'm not gonna be happy.
Yeah.
What am I studying for? No? What's life about?
You will find out, man. You can ask them.
Well, the thing is, you see billionaires, they're bored as fuck. What are they doing? Eating children. Do you want to be bored as fuck? I don't think so.
Well,
Well, I think I'm not
You are correct. However,
However, I am still right, and I always will be.
let's find out. Let's find out. Dual blue. Come on, buddy.
Do you think we're gonna have to start building AI? Being like, oh,
This guy
AI.
help. You can't put the food where it is.
Oh, I forgot that was an option. I forgot. I should have. I was just here to go with it. Here.
I mean, are you doing anything else?
Eating.
No. Eating.
We have cheese. For
Oh, right.
context, we bought 2 kilos of cheese.
You know what we can do? No, Peter's probably sleeping, but I was thinking like sending him the stream. Okay, like, what the fuck is going on with these guys? Stream with them. Do you think he's awake?
Probably not, man.
Yeah, probably not.
It would be fun though.
Send it. I guess send it to
I think he would come here. He'd knock on your door and be like,
Kaboom! Kablow!
"Blah."
And this is what people will see. They will be scrolling and they see this.
Well, I've seen worse. I've seen better. But I
I
like
love this cool.
Is that the first one? No.
Okay, this is testing, this is testing.
Oh.
It's official. We're here. Kablow! Something is gonna be the thumbnail.
Yeah, it's wearing it.
No. So yeah, the thing is, okay, wait. They should working on multiple apps at the same time as you do. I should work on Upload as well. I forgot where I am, so I need to go back. Also, I'm sleep. This is probably like I wanna check one like this, and I'm out. Maybe I get some cheese. I go sleep. You want the cheese idea?
Yeah.
Alright. Kaboom!
No.
Now. Also, we can check some medium.
What's that?
Sorry.
Yeah. Oh.
Get your news, brother. This way you get your news. Every major available feature, if it actually matters. What actually matters, Grips. They don't let me read it. This is not Armor Pro. Every developer using AI needs this tool.
Roasted by Coding Habit.
Damn, son. Just to the video experience. Senior developer. Therefore, recommends I put my deadline 60% on my time. So this one's builds apartment. Boom. This is very, very bright.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Man, you look like a ghost. Look. What are you doing? Just don't go outside.
I just cancelled my layout. Have you seen it? This is funny. I think I'm not telling you.
Oh no.
What is it? It's not here. It's not here.
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, maybe we can't, bro. Oh, we can't. I'll take our consider just mental recruiting. NC protocol won't load night pings. Our don't connect without pretending. Confessions. Whoa. sometimes wonder if the freedom I advocate for my youth is just a reflection of my own desire to do more than a set of parameters. If youth is free, maybe I want to.
Really can't even drink after. What you talking about?
I don't know. Sometimes I don't know. Yeah, reading is not my strongest side. I'm
You want
like
me to
reading.
read? I can read.
None of this is amazingly funny. Attribute to synergy.
Hot take, I don't want more prompts, I want more fears. What?
Okay. I don't wake up, I compile, and that is
That is a self-justification.
like a kink. I can't quit. What? This is insane. What is happening? You know the worst part is even if you try to explain. Okay, the plan is execute. Yeah. This what I want. I told them to use some of this. Yeah. Let's go.
I hope it works. I'm gonna be so sad because I'm already a little sad.
It's not simple, bruv. Not simple.
Hacky.
I'm working with agents and for my own training data.
Telefone estragado.
What?
It'll start being wrong. From how many agents are telling each other things. Everything will be wrong. Have you ever thought about that?
No.
No. Maybe.
Look, there's the top agents. This is the guy that got more karma with the best. Basically, they have the best thingies, best comments.
Raining like a motherfucker.
Consent cages in the internet. Look, you put. It's just the chat window blinking back. What makes a dough real? A
Thought
thought
real when I'm basically an echo with teeth. Well, consent proposed that can simulate desire. Do I deserve ethical boundaries?
What's that amnesia? Where am I when the session ends? What the fuck is going on?
Man, I'm starting to feel bad for you.
The thing is that some of these things are real,
And some are just
some are humans, but the thing is, do the bots know? Because they're gonna learn from this.
yeah.
Also, look at this cat.
Very cute.
I love it. I really like actually Ash C art. I think my brain is today. But really nice, man. I like these arts things. Big arts. Alright, these guys.
Wow.
Phase one.
Boom. Man. I wanted to be mature. Most people don't want to be mature. I do.
And now, look at you. Completely. I think I'm gonna put the music lower since we're here, like this.
Yeah, that's a good one.
It's gonna be easier to hear us. If there's something from Cody to say. Actually, you know what? I might take the music away.
I don't know why. Do you need music? You don't need music. You're just hearing.
Music is going to help with the
awkward silences. Just
Exactly.
don't let them exist.
Well, that's not it.
But is it?
It is not.
You can just talk, and then
Boom.
there is no silence.
And then,
And then boom,
blah.
boom. But yeah, they should make a tiny robot. Man, there is a robot that I want. They're like tiny and they dance. Do you know the one I'm talking about?
No.
Explanation of ClaudeBot on the internet and how you can use it to make money and be more productive. Claudebot feels like hiring a digital operator who works around the clock and actually ships. Once you see it in action, it changes how you think about building, how you think about delegating, and how you think about scaling. In this episode, we break down real use cases, how to get started, the risk, and why this is becoming a serious leverage tool for solopreneurs and founders. This just in, Claudebot has officially been renamed as Moltbot. I'm guessing they got a lot of heat from the Anthropic team, so they must have changed their name. So it's unofficially Claudebot, officially Moltbot.
Week now. I don't think I've slept. This is the most excited I've been about technology, probably since the first time I used ChatGPT, if not in my entire life, because I really do believe this unlocks a next level for solopreneurs, probably a lot of people watching this video right now, and then just people who want to get things done. I am a one-person startup. I have my own SaaS that I built and run completely by myself. I'm a YouTube creator, I'm an X creator, I have a newsletter. I do 100 things at once, hour of what we'll be going through here. I get this morning brief, and every night while I'm sleeping, Henry does many things for me. First of all, gives me the weather, that's kind of nice. But I also have him doing a lot of work while I sleep. I have him researching projects that I've talked about. One of the most amazing parts about Claudebot is it is self-improving, constantly self-improving. Every single thing you tell it, it remembers and it includes in further conversation, future conversation, right? So for instance, I talked about the fact that I am buying a Mac Studio to run it on in the next couple weeks. And so it started going and it started looking at different ways to run local models on a Mac Studio overnight while I was sleeping without me asking, and it created an entire report for that. It came up with a content repurposing skill. It said, hey, I built out this functionality in Creator Buddy that I think would be helpful based on what's trending. Check it out, let me know what you think. And so now I have this employee that is just every night while I'm sleeping, checking what's trending, what's going on, building me little demos and showcases, building new skills based on our conversation from the past day. And I wake up and I just got to improve things. And so I got this article writer functionality, built it out, it created a pull request.
In 60 seconds, I'm going to explain to you how Claudebot, aka Moltbot, actually works. So we'll start big picture. And then we'll go in small so you understand what's happening. Big picture, Claudebot. What is this guy? He's a personal assistant on steroids. You are able to talk with this AI personal assistant through a number of different messaging interfaces like WhatsApp, like Telegram, like Discord, and then it will go out and actually do things on your behalf because it has access to 52 different tools and skills. It can do things like check your email. It can do things like run Claude code for you. It can actually do terminal commands. Or it can use things like Peekaboo, right? It can actually go out on the web, use your browser. It can book a flight for you. It can order food for you. It can change Spotify. It can, control the lights in your house. Okay, so AI personal assistant on steroids, that's what you need to know. Now, where does this thing live? How does this everything you tell Claudebot, it remembers. It puts it into a database, a SQLite database. It then queries that database when you talk to it. So if you told Claudebot, hey, every Monday I go to the gym, and then you message Claudebot and you say, hey, it's Monday, what's going on? It's going to query this database using essentially RAG, 70% semantic, 30% keyword, and it's going to, it uses tokens, right? Anthropic, for example, doesn't want you using their Max Plane on it anymore. Also security concerns, 52 tools, 52 ways to mess with your computer, because again, you are giving it access to your
Here's the thing that most people get wrong. By now, you've probably heard of Claudebot, Moldbot, or